Whenever I set a brush down, I am forevermore looking for it after I put it down because it always gets lost in the sea of all my brushes that I keep on my desk. Hey, I lied. We're going to highlight the inner corner because I just feel like it needs it. Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a really pretty rainbow cut crease look. So if you would like to go from this to this right here, then get out your makeup brushes and your makeup and let's go ahead and get on into it. Into my weekend festival palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to be taking the shade Palooza, which is a really pretty blue shade, and I'm going to be popping that into the inner part of my crease using this very, very tiny pencil detailed crease brush. Going into my Profusion Spectrum eyeshadow palette. This is a very good, affordable eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Lucky. I'm going to be applying that right where we applied that blue. This time, I'm going to take a little bit more of a fluffier crease brush to apply that shade next to the blue. Going into my ColourPop Yes Please palette. I know I used this palette last week in last week's tutorial, but honestly, this has my favorite yellow to work with in this palette. I'm going to take the shade Mischief. I'm going to apply that right next to where we applied the green. I think I'm going to use the same little fluffy crease brush to apply the shade Mischief. Going back into the Weekend Festival palette, I'm going to take the shade Hippie, which is just that orange shade, and I'm going to be applying that next to the yellow, and I'm going to be using the same brush that I used for the yellow and the green. Going back into the Profusion Spectrum palette, I'm going to take the shade Ember. I'm going to apply that right next to that orange. I know it looks like it's a deep red in the palette. I've actually never used it before. I did just swatch it and I think it's going to be workable. I don't think it's too deep of a red, but if it is, I'm really sorry, but I'm trying to do the best that I can. I don't really own a true bright red eyeshadow, so if any of you guys have a really good true bright red eyeshadow that you enjoy, please let me know it down in the comments. The time has come to cut it and forget it. And to cut my crease, I'm just going to be using this Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This is just in the shade Fair Ivory at 105. This is one of my favorite things to use to cut the crease because it's a very watery, very thin-like consistency, so it's really easy to control. I'm also going to be using this brush today to cut my crease. I like the round top of it. It makes it really easy to carve out that crease. So we are just going to begin, and I'm going to go cut my crease. Whenever I set a brush down, I am forevermore looking for it after I put it down because it always gets lost in the sea of all my brushes that I keep on my desk. Going into the Siennas palette from Profusion, I don't really know if this palette is available anymore or not. I think it is. I think they made it a permanent palette. But I'm going to take the shade Conquest, which is just in the middle there. It's a really pretty shimmer shade. I'm going to be popping that onto my lid where we just cut my crease. Using this flat shader brush, I'm also going to be dampening the brush with a little bit of the Jeffree X Morphe Continuing Setting Mist. I'm going to be curling my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler. Then I'm going to be applying some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using today is just the Maybelline the Falsies mascara. I used to use this back when I was a teenager, and I actually forgot how much I love this mascara. It gives you such long and voluminous lashes, so this is definitely a win-win for me, and it's a very affordable mascara as well. So all in all, if you're looking for a really good mascara, I definitely recommend checking out this one because it's only a few dollars and it's not that bad. lashes today. I'm going to be using these Faux mink lashes. These are 5D. These are from the brand Eve, and these are in the style 014. They're really bold and they're really dramatic, which is why I wanted to use them today, because this bold rainbow eye look deserves some really bold lashes. Finish up the rest of my makeup now that I just went off camera and did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. I'm just going to be using a little bit of white eyeliner. This is just from LA Colors in my waterline. This is like one of my favorite eyeliners ever. The reason why I'm using the white today and not the goldish nude is because I kind of want this to kind of incorporate the white. So I'm just going to be popping this right into my waterline like so. I also really like the fact that you can build these eyeliners up and you can intensify them as much as you want. Now I'm going to smudge a little bit of Ember into my lower lash line area. I'm also going to be taking a little bit of Rain, which is just the pink and purple shades right there, and smudge those along with my lower lash line as well, because I didn't really have room on my upper eye crease area to incorporate pink and purple into this look. So I'm just going to incorporate it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of the Falsies Mascara from Maybelline. I'm just going to be applying a little bit of this to my lower lash line area, or to my lower lashes, because I want to make... Going in with the Ciatè London bronzer. This is just their bamboo bronzer. I'm going to be using this today to warm up my complexion. This is just a nice little travel size bronzer. I absolutely love it, especially how little it is. It is just too cute. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Blush. This is in the shade Natural Glow, and this is just a really pretty natural subtle blush. It gives your cheeks a sheer wash of color, which is why I want to use this today, because I really want to keep my cheeks a little bit minimal since I'm going to be going in with a really intense highlight. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Next up is highlighter, and for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Estate highlighter in the shade Do Me. This is a very intense highlight, which is why I absolutely love it. So that is why I'm using it today. And I'm just going to be highlighting my cheekbones with this cheek brush. I'm not going to be highlighting the inner corner since we've got this whole blue going on and everything. I really don't want to take away from anything on the eyes. So I'm strictly just going to be highlighting my cheekbones today and not the inner corners of my eyes. Hey, I lied. We're going to highlight the inner corner because I just feel like it needs it now that I looked in the big mirror and looked at my eye look. I just feel like it would make it look a little bit better. So we're just going to pop a little bit of highlight right into this little tear duct area. Now it is time for lips. So for lips, I wanted to keep everything nude and neutral. So I'm just going to be using this lipstick from Beauty Runway. I got this for Christmas. It's a really pretty nude color. And then over the top of it, I'm going to be applying the gloss. The gloss has really pretty chunks of glitter in it. And they're all different colors. But it looks really pretty over the top of the lipstick. So that is just going to be my lip combo today. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. I freaking love it. I love the way that these eyes turned out today. I think they are super pretty and really appropriate for the occasion. So if you did enjoy this video and if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down there as well if you haven't already, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, don't forget to give me a follow over on social media, so that way you can keep up with me, keep tabs on me, and keep a lookout for when I post and upload new videos. And so, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorn.